Okay, good morning YouTube. Got a update on a review I did on the unboxing of a Toro personal pace mower. This is the one in the background here. If you haven't seen that video, I did a video on that earlier this season, early in the season, this summer. It is now October. I just want to give you an update. I said I would give an update on how I liked it after using it for a season. So here we are. It's, pretty much I like the mower. I don't like it as much as I did my old personal pace, but I do like it. It runs good, does a good job. Uses about 3/4 tank of gas for about a 1/4 acre yard. Okay, the oil on it, I do believe is supposed to be the non-change oil, but I'm going to end up changing it later after I'm done mowing. But for the most part, looks pretty clean after a full season. Hasn't used any, so as you can see that, I don't know if you can see that or not, but however, you can see, I guess there, looks pretty clean, and that's after a season of running it. However, I did come up and find this out later after I watched actually somebody else's unboxing video, and if I could find it again, I will try to put a link to it because he deserves credit for this. But I found out later, if you watched my earlier video, I was disappointed to find out it wasn't a side discharge. But what I did find out later from this other video, you can get a discharge chute that goes on the back where the bag goes. So it's a matter of lifting up where the bag goes. You take the chute and you put it on there like that, and it will discharge out the back right there. One thing you got to make sure of when you use this chute is that this lever for the bagging is in the bagging position. A lot of grass built up in there. Gonna have to clean that out this year. But if you put it up in that position, it's not going to do any good because the flap in the back is closed. So you got to open the flap for the bag. So most of the summer I was just mulching with it, but as you can see, I let my grass get ahead of me sometimes, and it doesn't mulch very well that way. So I like to discharge. The way you get this is you have to register your mower, model and serial number, at toro.com, and they will send you, there's a box on the bottom of the registration that you check that will give you, it says to send that you're interested in the free chute that comes with it. If you check that box, they'll send you that chute free. Mine came in about 4 or 5 days. They say about 3 weeks. Mine came fairly quick. So I'm going to run it with the chute on it and let you see how that works out and go from there. But yes, I do like the Toro. There is one thing I don't like about it. I have a little clip that I'm going to play for you, that if you move the mower quickly, like side to side, like making a turn, it'll stumble. I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know if it's the carburetor float or if it's something with the linkage hanging up, but I'm going to investigate that later in the year too. So I'll post that video when I get to that. But just wanted to give you this review for today. Okay, the one thing I don't like about the chute is which way it shoots out, but nothing I can do about that. It goes out that way, but when I mow my lawn, I go along that, and I can throw it into the things, but then I get out by the road. I like to throw the grass inward. I don't like grass all over my road. So, but then that's all right. I can make adjustments for that. I do have some other videos coming up. I got this Cub Cadet here. Was given to me. Look for that video in the future. It was just given to me free. Don't know what's wrong with it yet. It does have compression, but we got to go through it and see if we can get that running. Also have a free Husky power washer, pressure washer, that was also given to me free, and we're going to have to see if we can get that running. So look for that one in the future. Then also I have 3 chainsaws that I got for $10 each. We're also going to see if we can get them guys going. So look for that one too.